Hey guys! Di mag-focus ba? Ayan. Maghapon lang kaming humilata sa bahay kasama sila Jonah. Netflix day! Ito ang bakasyon kasi lakas ng ulan, bes. Hindi na kami lumabas. So, no makeup day, only lipstick and pulbo day. So, hindi na kami lumabas, guys. Nag-empake na lang ako kanina. Tapos, hila-hilata lang. Nakapanood kami ng 1, 2, 3 movies sa Netflix. And it's now 4 p.m. I guess. 4:22 p.m. Pupunta kaming SAGAT CRUST. If you're not familiar with SAGAT CRUST, guys, that is a restaurant or just a simple na kainan sa Rosario, LaUnion, sa may ano bang pangalan na doon? Sa Amlang. Pero yung pangalan is SAGAT CRUST. Ayan. Pupunta kami doon para kumain lang ng pansit, empanada. Gusto niyo ng empanada. Pero yung empanada kasi doon, guys, hindi siya yung parang empanada ng vegan. So, parang pie. Ganon yung empanada doon. So, hindi siya not like the Ilocos empanada. Ay. We are here, guys, in SAGAT CRUST. Ba yun? Umuulan pa eh. Ito, guys, yung coffee natin. Brewed coffee. With Carabao milk on the side. We also got some empanada, chicken and tuna empanada. Lagyan na natin yung Carabao milk. Oh my gosh! Ay, nag-brainy!
Tigas na kayo, taga LaUnion.
I'm not from LaUnion. Yes. Oh my gosh, I can smell the coffee already. Na po ang ating beef with mushroom pizza. Beef with mushroom. Sino maglalagay dito si Puwet? Ay, wow! Ganun daw maglagay para po hindi matapon ng milk. Napaka-brainy, Jangjum.
Bakit nga taga-Ilocos niya?
Bakit yung taga-Ilocos hindi nag-iisip kung paano maglagay ng milk dito?
Half life, half 102.
How's the taste, Boyet? Tatanungin na naman ako, bakit Boyet pang pangalan ng friend nyo? Not Boyet. Brewed coffee talaga, oh. May ano pa, ayun, nakita mo ba yun? Hingit ka na naman, Mac. Gosh. This is the chicken empanada. And you're eating the tuna empanada, right? Masarap yung pie. Ano, tuna naman yata ito.
Tuna yan, walang dot.
Hindi, ayan, oh, may dot na red. Ay, may dot. That's chicken daw. Wow. Good. Sarap.
That may dot.
Don't get that. That's mine. Ow! Magkakape. Sakto. Para sa tag-ulan. Yum. Brood na brood. Sarap ng sauce nila. Sana hindi ako magka-stomach upset nito. Ang dami ko nang kinain anong araw na to. Harap.
Diba gusto ko mag first?
Ito na yung halo-halo ni halo-halo ni Mac Nichols. Wow! Amazing! Uy! Uy, mukhang masarap to. Kaya pala may lumabas na ice cream dapat kanina. Here's the Carabao burger. Ayan. And the fries of Ma'am Jonah. Ayun na, Ma'am Jonah. Bigyan ng jacket yung burger na yan.
Lalamig.
Hey guys, so as usual, Hindi ko na naman po na-close itong vlog dati. But anyway, I will be closing it now. And watch out for the next vlog. Probably tomorrow siya kung may edit ko siya agad. Because it will be a field trip. Para kaming mga bata, nag-field trip kami sa Luneta Park. So, yun yung next vlog natin. Kasi, yung next vlog kasi guys, yun yung nung nasa Manila kami and hindi kami lumalabas, nasa loob lang kami ng hospital. So, we just had 1 or 2 hours to go out before ma-discharge yung papa ni Mac. So, yun yung i-watch out nyo guys. Especially if you are around Manila na feeling nyo wala kayong mapapasyalan. Kasi, you know what, sometimes we also need to appreciate the little things around us. So, yun guys, watch out nyo na lang yun. So, I hope you enjoyed watching this video kahit yung ginawa lang namin, kumain lang ng kumain. Nag-chill lang kasi chill day lang. Yung feeling na umuulan. Chill vibe lang. Yan. So, if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOfMia and I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye!
Trying to forget you, I'm all alone in a ghost town. There's a beautiful madness inside my soul, and I can't stop thinking of you.